Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name's Natalie, or as some of you guys may know me as Moving with Natty. So today we are heading to the gym, obviously. It's 3 o'clock, that's so bad. And I'm gonna take you guys through my upper body workout. For those who say girls should not do upper body, you guys are wrong. Girls 100% should be doing upper body. It helps with proportioning your body. It helps strengthen yourself. It has so many benefits just as lower body does. I'm currently trying to find my clothes and I can't find any. I don't know what I'm wearing, so I'm just like rummaging through my closet as I try and find some stuff. Okay, I found what I want to wear. We're gonna wear my Nike Zenvi leggings and my Elite 11 crop top. It's got a cute little I don't know what it's called, but anyways, we're gonna get ready to go to the gym. I'm going with one of my best friends because they are gonna help me film everything, and then I will take you guys through my upper body workout. All right, let's get it. Okay, so I just arrived at my best friend's house and I'm just getting ready. I just chucked on, move this in the way. Chucked on my That's So Fetch hoodie. We're gonna do my hair. I'm thinking we're gonna do a ponytail plait because we're doing upper body tonight. And I don't want my hair in the way, so we're gonna do that. Alright, give me a moment, and then we're gonna make my pre-workout. So cute. Alright, let's go make my pre-workout. Okay, so we made it into the kitchen to make my pre-workout. We're using Gorilla Mind pre-workout. Gorilla Mode, oh my gosh, don't even know what the name is. Firefly Lemonade. You can't, I didn't get this in Australia, but my best friend's brother went to America. Start of the year, I can't even remember. I haven't got it. So this is 2 servings, so my friend used one, so I used the other. And we're gonna use some creatine as well. I think this is creatine. It is. I think it looks like sugar. One scoop of that. Get this out of the way. Wasn't closed properly. Alright, there we go. Taste test. Oh wait, oh my god. I'm actually stupid. That tastes like lemonade. Ew. Alright, let's get ready to go to the gym. That's disgusting. It was all grainy parts. Alright, let's go. Okay, so we are checking out a new gym today. Well, it's not new because I've been here before, but like I don't normally go here. So we're doing an upper body session and I'm doing high rows instead of bent over rows because I just cannot be bothered and my lower back is a little bit sore. I've done one set already. Tired. So we're gonna do my second one. Okay. We're doing 3 sets of 6 to 8. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Am I in it? Alright, okay. Just ignore me. Alright, so the thing with crunch is they go by pounds. And I don't know, the conversion is too difficult. And I'm doing 20 pounds for shoulder press. And it's literally 9 kilos that I could do normal top 5, which is ridiculous. It's fine. Oh, I walked past my thing. Literally every guy at Dermot just walks past. Oh my gosh. Right. Go. Alright. Bicep curls. Superset with lat raises. Let's go. I don't have much time, so I'm gonna work out before I pick up my brother. Alrighty, the next exercise I'm doing is lat pullovers, and then I'm gonna do triceps, and then I'm gonna do chest flies, and then I'll be done. Then I'll do some steps. I'm gonna film this way because then you can see my juicy back. Oh, that's too heavy. What's this? Oh, okay, that's better. I love my back so much. Alright, let's do some triceps. I'm so dead. I'm so tired. This pre-workout just ain't hitting me as it should. Now let's do some triceps, and then we'll do one more exercise and be done. So far, like I've been to crunch before, but every time I go, I just feel like I do not like it more than I do. I think I need to do like gym reviews, but like this is my little mini review of crunch. It's good, it's like spacious, but I like to have my gym bag on the floor with me, and they don't allow that because I carry a lot. Like I carry all my straps, my tripod, my bottle, and it's just like holding onto it is just not it. And I don't like how they use pounds. Oh! And then, guys going at it. But everyone's nicer than Dermot. That's all I've got to say. Other than that, it's a nice little gym. It's cute, but I don't like how they use pounds, and I don't like how they don't allow bags. Other than that, the facility is quite good, so 6.5 out of 10. Alright, I'm gonna finish my workout. Alright, my loves, we are back home and I am just eating butter chicken. It's like my post-workout meal. I love butter chicken so much. Overall, the gym session was solid. It wasn't the best, wasn't the worst, but we still got the work done. We still got it going. Yeah, as I said before, Crunch is a good gym, but it's just not for me. But we are going to be trialing out some new gyms, so definitely stay tuned for some new videos about that. Other than that, thank you for watching another one of my videos. If you haven't already, I don't think I said this at the start, please subscribe. I'm so thankful we hit 100 subscribers. I know it's so small, but it means a lot to me, so thank you so much for that. So hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, which will be linked below. I will link also, or like describe my workout in the description below. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and all that stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Love you all. Ready?